Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you exactly how to make a stunning poster in Canva 2025 step by step. Whether you need a poster for a school project, an event, your business, or even just something fun for your wall, by the end of this video, you'll know how to design a poster that not only looks amazing but totally fits your style and needs. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, let's open Canva 2025. If you're not already on the home screen, go ahead and log in. Now up at the very top left of your screen, you'll see a big button that says Create Design. Click on that. This is where all your creative projects begin in Canva, whether it's a social media post, a flyer, or what we're doing today, a poster. Next, in the design search bar, type poster. You'll notice suggestions like poster portrait and maybe even poster landscape. Here, where you can decide which orientation works best for your project. If you're making a poster to hang on a wall or a bulletin board, portrait is usually the classic choice, tall and vertical. But if your design needs more space across, try landscape instead. For this tutorial, I'll go with poster portrait, but don't hesitate to pick whatever suits your purpose. Once you click your desired poster template, Canva will open up a lovely blank canvas for you, sized perfectly for a standard poster. Take a moment here and imagine your design. Don't worry if you're not sure where to start. Canva has a ton of ready-made templates on the left side. You can scroll through, pick one that matches your vibe, and swap it out if you change your mind later. Templates can make things super easy, but you can also start from scratch if you're feeling creative. Now comes the fun part, personalizing your poster. You can click on any element in the template to change it. Let's say you want to add your own picture. Simply use the Uploads panel on the left, drag in a photo from your computer, and drop it right on the poster. Canva is pretty smart about snapping images into place, so don't be afraid to play around a little. Maybe you want to add a group photo, a logo, or even a funny candid. It's totally up to you. Next, try changing up the font. Select any text box and you'll see options at the top for font style, size, and color. Maybe you want your headline to really pop, so crank up that font size and pick a bold font. Changing colors is easy. Just click the little color picker and choose one that matches your theme. Don't be shy here. Experiment with different fonts and color combos to find something that feels just right. If you make a mistake, just hit undo. Canva saves your progress as you go. Take your time with this part. Designing is about trying things out until you love the way it looks. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. Even pro designers make lots of tweaks before they're happy. Once you're completely satisfied with your poster, it's time to save and share your masterpiece. In the upper right corner, find the share button. It usually looks like a little paper airplane or says share. Click that and then select download. Canva will ask you to choose a file type like PDF or PNG. For printing, PDF print is a great choice because it keeps everything crisp and clear, but for online sharing, PNG or even JPEG works nicely. Select your file type, then hit download. Canva will prepare the file, and in a moment, it'll be ready for you to use wherever you like. And that's it, you've designed your own poster in Canva 2025. See, it's pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share your own poster creations, drop a comment below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials on Canva and so much more. Thanks for watching and happy designing.